Do I use Quiver for anything right now? I think it's just Kree, right? Yeah, Kree and then hard tobs. Yeah, I guess hard tobs would be kind of on the menu. I would say they're back on the menu. Conquat's not ready. Take care of the oranges and the bananas. Already have the keys prepped, that's good. Hardcore free-to-play UIM. What the fuck? Oh, that's at Walmart? How to bring it home? What the hell is this? Bugglers? What do you do with that? Are those like a type of sock? It's olive. Free-to-play world? What a fraud. I know, right? He's in a member world. Just to restart the account. Maze? We can have. We only have 1 mil in the maze. Yeah, fuck that. Make this up to 2 mil. Hustler just won the last maze. He won the last maze at 11 mil. Bitch. Bro, it's a 1 mil giveaway. I don't want to fucking do that shit. I'm still poor. I could use 1 mil. How are you still poor? Have you been rebuilding for like months and months? What fell out? I already did, and his name is Hustle because he got lucky and won the maze. I've been playing in 2, 3 months. Oh shit. You were like really busy. Dang, you missed out on leagues. I mean, not really missed out, but you can still like partake in it. If I fancy it. Oh, it's not your thing. Just dead man. Yeah, he's into demi because it's just free money. No protection anymore. Time to chop magics. No, from the for demo mode, for me at least, it's gonna be like just 1 day of stream, like 1 or 2 days of dead man streams, and that's it. So you wouldn't have to worry about too much of that content. Been logged outside of Sarah since I last played. Oh dang. Log in, get ACV or SGS. Send it. Leslie, thank you. Good for kits, but they ugly, so never did. Oh, Deadman? Yeah, yeah. They're not that good. Easy is what recruit kit to get. I guess that's like the best one. But that one's not too hard. That one's like what, like I don't know how many points it is. Are you in the misses? Good, good, good. We're gonna celebrate Christmas this weekend. We are gonna decorate the Christmas tree. I'm like super late, but yeah, no, it's been great. What I do for it for demo mode? I think pretty much just like kind of like skiller mode. Yeah, I just went skiller mode. Oh, the leagues? Yeah, yeah. We have like 40k points. For real? Yeah, because I think yeah, literally all I did for Deadman was to try to make money off of magic trees. Skill and get the kit? Yeah. It's like you get Deadman points based on like level ups. It's like level ups and like XP. I don't know. I forgot what the calculator was. Public public question this weekend? No, 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 no. That's kind of early. Our 6 months is in January. Mm, mm, mm. So right now, it does have to be during popular time. I'm not sure actually. I think you have to wait until the Deadman event for those points. You could try, you could test it and see if you what you do if you go in Deadman server right now. What are you gonna get from Perm Deadman World? Oh no. I guess that would lose. I guess they would lose value on the kits if you could. Good to hear. I'm single again though, so that sucks. Wasted 6 years. Wait, but were you ever in a relationship? I thought you were. I thought your roommate was like a friends with benefits kind of thing. Like what happened? Can we told on stream? Trigger and Pro TOS. Oh, damn. That's probably very serious then. Sorry about that, man. Max your main? No. I don't even play the main, so I don't really feel like the incentive to like get better stats on it. It's like my fucking around account. Like if a bunch of streamers wanted to just do a raid together, and I didn't want to, you know, spoil a T-bow or something, I'd just go on that account and play. Practice account? I wouldn't call it practice account because it doesn't have the stats to actually practice. It has like base 80 combats. And like it has the bare minimum to do like Cox with friends. How are we gonna do this? Throwing a look on the grind. Sounds good. Apollo. Joy. Sweet dreams. Yeah, so since I moved downstairs, I won't be coming, I won't have like the half day Fridays anymore. But what's nice though is because I get